Hey guys, my name is Ravish and welcome back to Logic Ops Lab. Now, to this video, I'm glad to announce that we are introducing one more DevOps based project, DevOps Real Time Project in this series. Now, this is the first video in which I'm going to do an introduction about what we are going to look exactly what is about to come in this project. So we'll be taking Jenkins Pipeline as a code. So we'll be discussing a lot of stuff around Jenkins. So the prerequisite to this course is you should have a bit of experience in continuous integration with Jenkins. If you do not have any sort of experience, let me show you something.
Okay, so if you can see on my screen, you have to go to my channel, which is Logic Ops Lab, go to playlist, and after that look for a playlist known as this one. So let me scroll down, and we are looking for something known as Jenkins automation full course using Jenkins jobs, etc. So let me just open it over here. So right now this is the series that you have to look into, and then there are somewhere around close to, let's say there are somewhere around 19 to 20 videos of that, and then go through this series. So this is something that I wanted to say, that go through this and you would be able to understand everything from scratch, that how to install stuff, how to install SonarQube and stuff. Okay, I'll be taking care of the installment as well. I'll be showing you how to install, how to set up in this series as well. But if you can go through this Jenkins automation series, it would be very much beneficial for you to understand what exactly is going on here. So this is only the prerequisite that I am talking about. All right.
Also, in this course, what we're going to do is we're going to do a Nexus setup, we're going to do a SonarQube setup. If you have information about that, if you already know how to work on that, then it's perfectly fine. Otherwise, I'll be telling you how to install them, how to download them, from where to download, and how do we go about it in the system. So I'm going to explain everything about that. Alright, and in this video, we'll also see that pipeline as a code, and then we'll talk about DSL as well. And then we'll talk about a sample pipeline. I'll show you how a sample pipelines look like. I'll show you about how to write a pipeline, write pipeline as a code, PAAC you can call it. I'll tell you how to see the documentation and what exactly is the documentation, and how to execute that pipeline and validate it. So this is something, a fair idea of what exactly we are going to do about in this project. So I would just like to request that if you are new over here, please subscribe the channel, do hit the like button, do share this video with everyone, because there would be someone who would be enjoying this video and who would be learning from this video. So kindly do that. So again, if there is anything that you want me to cover specifically in this project, feel free to comment below, and we might be including that in this course. So guys, let's stay tuned and let's get started.